Come test drive the 2017 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, floor mats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does. Genesis certified pre-owned vehicles are meticulously inspected by qualified Genesis technicians and come with comprehensive Genesis CPO limited warranty, 24/7 roadside assistance, and a vehicle history report. Talk to your local Genesis dealer today to find out more.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.